And the shortest verse in the Bible, Jesus wept. Now, ato na yung mabasa. Jesus wept. He felt. He felt what they were feeling during the time when people weeping. When Jesus saw the sister of Lazarus weeping for the death of his brother, Jesus wept for his friend who died. Now, do not tell me that the Lord does not understand what you are feeling. Do not tell me that the Lord does not understand what you are going through. Do not tell me that Jesus does not feel what you are feeling. Because here we see God Himself wept. So pasabot ana, dili ka makaingon nga ang Ginoo dili makasabot sa akong kahintang. Ang Ginoo dili gabati sa akong gabation. Tungod ang pulong nagaingon that He is able to empathize with all our weaknesses, with all our pains, with all our brokenness, with all the challenges of life. God understands. Jesus understands. Jesus feels everything that you feel.